Oh, ready? Okay. Today is the February 16th, 2017. Okay. We can go over a few trade what we did in the chat today, and also some trade that I mentioned was on the watch list from yesterday, and but I didn't trade it, but it had a nice run though. So GG. I mentioned this last night. It was I had a gap, and they break this. See, pretty nice breakout and pretty solid. The volume was 16 million, so it was nice. If you guys, I would probably get in here if I trade it, but I didn't trade it. So um, hindsight, all bullshit, all BS. So I'm not gonna talk about it. But if you trade it, good for you. And X, this one is gonna be on the watch list for tomorrow. And I mentioned this yesterday, and also on the watch list. Very nice. Okay, this is my favorite thing. Okay, a gap up, a push up, out the door, then start fading. Reach the previous resistance. And if you watch this, uh, I told you, I just didn't have the time to trade this today. So tomorrow, I'm gonna continue watch this thing for more fade. Ideally, it's gonna come back and test this area. Why? Because it's a nature thing. Okay, usually when price make a low, usually they will come back and test the low, or if when the price make a high, they will come back and test the high then before they go any other directions. So we'll see. Okay, and so definitely this one on watch. And next one, this one EDIT. Oh, see, we talked about this last night. I was thinking this thing probably gonna hit 30, but seems there's a lot of resistance right here. So this they have to push. They have to push through this area in order to get to 30. So you have to think, oh, okay, if they can't push this area, there's a lot of, you know, pretty heavy resistance. That's why they can't push it. So anyway, today I saw this thing. Okay, this thing was in my left side monitor. I watched the whole morning, but I was focused on the NVDA short. And once they reach this 2485 level, I went to the restroom. By the time I came back, this thing just shoot straight up. Then anyway, this is good. Then they fade all the way once they reach 27. So seems to me I will watch this one for a short tomorrow. I give you a hint. Okay, I give you a tip, a hint. This thing right here, up by the news. The fundamental in this company did not change. So what that means to you, like you think about it. Okay, let's move on. Next one, TX. And oh, this one, the swim I gave you guys a bonus for swim trading. See, start pushing up. So yeah, we check back in a couple days. We'll see how far this one goes. Okay, this one, NVDA, this one's still on watch. Okay, so right now it come to we had a really nice trade. This one I think I missed this part. Okay, I totally missed this part. I was dead on in the chat. I'm gonna show you guys this, since because I don't lie. Okay, I don't lie anything. We do real trading, real everything real. Okay, we don't just make a call, say, oh, long this or short this. Watch this. 12:35, like around noon time. I showed this pattern in our chat room. Money ball coming in, fall. Love, LOL. Give me my last round. Panic, please. This thing was dead on. I'm not gonna. This is hindsight talk, but I have a proof. So I was watching this. I knew this thing will wash out, and it did. Okay. So, but I wasn't there because I didn't have enough patience. I closed this somewhere right here. Anyway, it was decent trade. And okay, so tomorrow this thing is either gonna bounce or it's just gonna keep fading. It seems like there's some buying right here, but it really could go either way. I'll be watching pretty close because this thing can go to 100. Okay, if the ES falling tomorrow, man, good luck. This thing could go 100. So we'll see. And MGN, this one, it had a gap down, pretty obvious gap down, and I trade this one, but I didn't trade very well. I think I lost like $85. Everything has a proof. $85. MGM. Okay. So, but we, had a really nice trade on the Tesla, GNC, and NVDA. GNC was the easiest one. GNC only took me like 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes. GNC had a nice gap up push. Then I trade here for almost 8%, 9.72%. So that was a fast wash. Let me show you the chart. Where's my chart? Saving every single chart is very important. Okay. Bang, bang, bang. Fill all the order. I should cover at 7, but I thought this one, because I thought this one could go a pre-market low. Then, so I had a little bit patient, but this one came back up and come back down again. That was like, you know what? I'm gonna cover. I'm not gonna make the same mistake on FOSL yesterday. So okay, and ESPR, this one really ESPR biotech. Okay, it had a nice breakout today. I will keep on watching. This one probably it could have more follow through. Nice volume, and it could keep on going. This thing could keep on going. Seriously, you see the gap right here? At least, I don't know. This thing probably can hit 30. We'll see. Okay. This one, WeRx. One of our member mentioned this, and I didn't trade it. We had a really nice fun on WeRx back then when WeRx was here. Why? Because WeRx has such a nice liquidity and nice range every day. So I think he's short right here, somewhere right here. And I think there's a earning coming up. Tomorrow, I'll be watching this for short. So yeah, if you look my trade today, I basically I did 6 trade, 7 tickers, all short. So NTES, this one, I'll keep watching on this one. See, this kind of stock, you don't have to. Usually, I don't play Chinese concept stocks, but it's really it depends. It has a really nice range. ATR is like a 9.15. So nice gap. This thing almost hit 300. I'll be very interesting if this thing will happen tomorrow? Is people gonna profit taking or what? So very close. And you don't have to trade a large share. You can trade like 50 shares and or 100 shares. I mean, 100 shares. This thing has like $8, from 280 to 280 to 290, 299. This thing is like a $19 range with 100 shares. That could be $1,900. Okay, I'm just saying. Okay, theoretically. Okay, YY. Okay, I like this chart though. Okay, if you look at YY, it's still in the downtrending. It's still in the downtrend. Okay, so this is obviously hitting here. What's gonna do tomorrow? I don't know. Watch it. Okay, it could probably fade. Okay, I'll be watching this. Okay, but due to their history, if you see this thing and sometimes it doesn't fade right away, but in the coming days. Okay, just keep on watching. All right, next one, BABA. Okay, interesting right here. Okay, let me gonna show you this. All right, 100. This is the zone area. Then there's obvious gap. So what's gonna happen? I don't know. I have no idea. I'm not gonna make a prediction, but we'll see. Is this gonna get filled? I hope not, but I don't care. If it's come down, then I'll trade it. 3 red bars. So keep on watching for short on this. And last one, Tesla. This one I loved it. I've been waiting, and we've been talking about this since 3 days ago. Since this one, I said Tesla got my attention. Then yesterday, it didn't move much, but yesterday closed. Remember this chart I show you guys? It closed red. Oh no, this the first day. Okay, it closed red. Trying to push, didn't push up, then come back down. Okay, today, trying to push right at the open and reach the resistance area. See, it's trying to break the gap down, open red, trying to push to green, but fail. One time, twice. Then this pattern just show up. And once you see a couple candles and see the heavy selling, then just get in. But personally, I don't really like this kind of chart. I like straight down, bounce straight down. This is really a headache. When I was reading this, I was like, oh man, this start consolidating. Then come later on, right here, it consolidating again. Right here, it consolidating again. But it did wash out. Pretty obvious, but I just hate waiting. I like straight flash like NVDA before, I got out at 271, so right after I got out, this thing start wash out. So, but I did got in here, trade couple times, and let me see where's the chart at. Yep, 2 minutes. Let's change to 2 minutes. First, I got shake out right here, and it took me twice to get right. So, but it was good. Add when trend is your friend. Okay, when everything works, just keep on adding every pullbacks. Got here. I just couldn't have the patience. They had a washout and bounce. It was a nice trade. Okay, nothing to talk about. Like not really too much thing you can talk about. when trend is working. So that's about it, and I hope you like the video, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.